This is the STIHL RMA 2 RT battery lawnmower. This is an excellent lawnmower for mulching, so there is no grass collection with this machine. This battery lawnmower is with the AP range from STIHL. This is with the AP 200, but you can go AP 300, AP 300S with this lawnmower. 4 bars on it, fully charged battery, just slots into place. Click it in, there's space for a spare battery, and that's it, ready to go to work. This lawnmower is easy to use. Press the button, hold the handle and it goes, and then pull this handle here and it drives. Press the button. Let the handle go and it stops. So this RMA 2 RT has one height adjustment which controls all 4 wheels. So easy to maneuver into its different levels to adjust your height of cut on this lawnmower. Very lightweight, so easy to maneuver around the garden, and has a handle here that you're able to lift it up. Protection at the front here as well, so very robust, strong lawnmower for medium to large gardens where you don't want to collect your grass.